Hey guys, Balkan Architect here. This is just going to be a quick video where I want to tell you about this year's Black Friday offer. So it's going to start today and we're going to have the largest discount ever. So you're going to get access to all Revit courses for only $9. So what I'm talking about is a 70% discount on the monthly subscription on balkanarchitect.com. So you can get this monthly subscription. If you've always wanted to try the courses, you weren't sure, well, now you can get all of them for only $9 with the monthly subscription. Also, if you are sure about the courses and you want to get lifetime access, so that means you just pay once now and you get access to all courses forever, plus of course all of the updates and all of the new courses that we add to this package. Well, that's at a $100 discount, so you can use this chance to get that large discount today. Also, if you're interested in the beginner to advanced pack, so that's our two most famous courses, the beginner to intermediate level course and the intermediate to advanced level course, while that bundle is now at a 20% discount. Also, if you would like to get the custom cabinetry plugin, that's at a 10% discount, so that's also available. Now, these discounts are only going to be available for the next 4 days, so going from Black Friday all the way to Cyber Monday. So throughout this weekend, make sure to use this chance to claim your discount. There is a discount code, BLACK23. You can find that on the website, so the links are of course in the cards above and then also down in the description of this video, so check it out. And then of course I'm going to be coming back next week with another regular Balkan Architect tutorial. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them either in the comments below or email me if you want. Bye.